Start the EEG system installation with double-clicking the EEG installer. Complete the installation with the default setups. Make sure the docx file is successfully installed in Tempo 6 folder. EEG driver has to be installed in the computer so EEG amplifier can be recognized by the computer. Refer to this picture to connect EEG amplifier and controller to computer. For Win 8 and Win 10, the driver signature enforcement needs to be disabled. Then update the driver for EEG amplifier. EEG flash driver needs to be updated before usage. Refer to this picture to connect EEG flash to computer. Then update the driver for EEG flash similarly. Once the software and driver installation is completed, a new icon should appear at the desktop. Double-click it to open the EEG software. The EEG software main interface consists of case management, case information, diagnosis info and settings. EEG connection status is displayed at lower right of the EEG software interface. If the orb is white after connecting EEG amplifier and controller, the serial number of EEG amplifier needs to be registered. To do that, click the Setup button at lower right of the main interface and open the Setup menu, followed by Leads Edit, and then Configure. Input the password NS2015. Once the next window opens, click Serial Number to open the serial number library, where the EEG serial number should be added. The serial number can be found on device label or on the product delivery order. After adding the EEG serial number, close the windows and return to the main interface. The serial number should be seen at the lower right of the screen, and the orb should change to blue color. Double-click the user area at the upper right, key in your own username. Click Setup, then choose Revise Review Report Template under the Leads and Template Setting tab. Change the username in the Word files for EEG Report. Choose Revise Map Report Template, change the username in the Word file for the map report. The case status, physician signature, clinic diagnosis and other items can be edited. Current events can be removed and new events can be added as instant events or long events. Normally our EEG system should define following events: patient 1 and patient 2 are for patient control, calibrate, turn off and turn on are for PSG and sleep analysis, the rest are for routine EEG. Breathing and flash are long events often used in routine EEG. You can define EEG montages for different channel configurations. Choose Leads Edit of Setup menu. All possible channels are shown after data source is clicked. Click Add, then define the configuration for all channels to complete a montage. Another example shows how to add a EEG plus PSG montage. Click Impedance button, the impedance testing UI appears. Click Start to test the impedance. Try to reduce the impedance through putting gel between electrodes and head skin. Click Add Case below the case library to start a new EEG data acquisition. A new case configuration window will open up. Key in an EEG case number and other patient properties, and then select Data Acquisition Mode to begin. For routine EEG record, select EEG Acquisition. EEG Data Acquisition interface will then be opened. The lead graph can show the EEG configuration. EEG waveforms can be set to be displayed over a few pages. Parameters such as play speed, sensitivity, and frequency filters can be set to display signal output. EEG data acquisition control is mainly done through the control bar at bottom of interface. Click on Monitor to check quality of EEG signal. When all is set, click Record to record the data. The breath parameters and flash parameters can be set to control the sound and flash pattern. Click Stop when enough data is acquired, and then click Exit to close the window. The recorded EEG waveforms will be automatically saved. Select the case to be reviewed and then click Play. The EEG waveform can be replayed in EEG review interface. To make measurement on the waveform data, click Measure and the cursor will switch to a box, which can be used to select a portion of EEG waveform to magnify it. Click Mule Measure to measure the EEG waveforms within the marked range. Click Print 1, a new window will be pop up, clear the content and write some remarks for this case, click Print to print the EEG report. EEG mapping can be done by first clicking on Map command. Then select portions of EEG data to be analyzed by holding Shift key when using mouse button to choose an area, the selected area will be highlighted. Click on Map again, and the software will perform map analysis for the selected portion of EEG waveforms. Click on Freq Spectrum to view the digital and graphical data of map analysis. And click Print to print map result. For video users, select VEEG acquisition. EEG waveforms and video will be displayed concurrently. Click Record to record the synchronized EEG and video signals. Open the video EEG file to review it. EEG waves and video signals can be synchronically edited. Click Edit and then select a few portions of EEG data to be extracted, and then click Edit again and exit. A prompt to save extracted data will appear, and select Yes. The selected EEG data and video data will be extracted and saved. Before proceeding to EEG PSG recording, connect PSG electrodes to the amplifier. Click Add Case, choose Channel with S to start the EEG PSG acquisition. Make sure all the channels have good quality signals, start record and keep recording for more than 5 minutes. Click Stop when enough data is acquired, and then click Exit to close the window. The recorded EEG waveforms will be automatically saved. Sleep analysis can be done in the EEG Review interface. Select the recorded EEG file and click Play to review the EEG waveforms. There are 2 steps to be done before performing the sleep analysis. A calibration, B add turn off and turn on events. Rate from left menu, then select more than 30 seconds EEG waveforms by holding Shift key when using mouse button to choose an area. Click the Calibrate button again to start the calibration. Add turn off event near the beginning of the recorded waveforms. Add turn on event near the end of the recorded waveforms. Click on Analyze, then choose Auto Sleep Analysis. Complete the automatic analysis with default setting. Next, choose Manual Sleep Analysis to review and edit the sleep stages manually, because the sleep stages from Auto Sleep Analysis are for reference only. Next, click RISP Analysis. Complete the analysis with default setting. Then click SpO2 Analysis. Complete the analysis with default setting. Click Sleep Analysis Report to view and print the sleep report. Click Sleep RISP Report to view and print the sleep and respiration report.